the power of compounding. So basically, compounding is imagine earning interest on savings and then earning interest on interest. That's compounding. The earlier you start, the more time you actually have for your money to grow. And that's really, really important when it comes to investing, is the concept of time horizon. How much time do you have to actually invest? And that's critical because the more time you have, the more you're able to lean into more stocks than you are bonds because you have a longer time horizon in order to recoup any losses that you may have. And on top of that, the growth between stocks, of course, and bonds, the stocks grow faster than bonds. Bonds are not there to actually grow. They're there to actually provide you with income and a sense of safety. There's not much fluctuation when it comes to bonds. And stocks are there to give you that growth over time. But in order to take advantage of that, you're going to need a long time horizon. And that's where the compounding happens. Shorter time horizon, you don't have the opportunity to enjoy the compounding. That's why we say start investing early so that you can take advantage of the compounding. Look, I just want to say thank you for clicking on my video. Really appreciate it. But not only that, thank you for sticking through it and watching it. And also, I hope you walk away learning something here. And if you do, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit the notification as well.